Grabe, ang daming tao na doon, bandanak, no?
Kasi din naman yung view.
Oo.
Wait lang, ako pala to.
Ay, maganda view doon. Ay, oo nga. Punta kaya ako doon. Ha?
Ano yan?
Pero grabe, ang dami. Oh.
Bag mo pa, oh.
Hindi ka pa na, sorry pero hindi ka alert, nanay. Like, I'm worried for you.
Yes.
Baka
Yung
ikaw
mga-
yung manakaw eh.
Yung mga...
Nanay, legit, sa bus, nabuksan namin ni ate yung bag mo.
Ha?
Hindi mo napansin.
Talaga?
Also follow my FB, Evelyn Dupit Balonzo.
From the 4th century, built for the first time.
Pwede makishare ng link.
Madali po.
Thank you.
Oo.
So now we go in our hotel. As I said, it is located in the southern part of Rome, so it is relatively far from the center. We have some 25 to 30 minutes driving, depends of the traffic, of course. And tomorrow in the morning, again, we will back with the bus, back here in this central part of Rome. I mentioned before that tomorrow in the morning we have a walking tour with local guide to visit, of course in 2 or 3 days, a relatively small period to explore this city, but that's why always we're trying to visit as much as possible. So on our program tomorrow in the morning is one of the most famous, most photographing places in this city, the Spanish Steps. One interesting landmark in the middle of Rome, Spanish Steps, because that square actually where with the beginning of that stair is place where is the Spanish embassy. It's interesting. The bottom is the Spanish square, at the top is French Holy Trinity Church, and in the middle Spanish Steps in the Rome. But of course tomorrow you will have heard many interesting stories related with Rome, the history, the today from the local guide. After that we will visit the one of the most famous again places, the Fontana di Trevi or Trevi Fountain. So prepare to drop some coins inside if you want to come back here in Rome. Close to that fountain is one temple in the past, today is a church, Pantheon, and of course the Piazza Navona. On the way during that walking tour, a lot of other interesting points and stops. Of course, it will be relaxing walking tour with several stops, with photo stops. Time after that for lunch, individual walking, and in the second part of the day we are going on the other side of the Tiber River.
Here. Sino? Ah? Picturean mo na, nak. Italy. Ano po? Ay, andun sila. Andun sila, oh, tara. Let's go, let's go. Anong sinasabi ni tour guide? Ha? At tinanong yata kung sinong sasama sa ano. Kung sinong sasama.
I thought it was up that end with Brian. And I used to go to
Italy.
piercing. Pero piercing. Ayun, papahin ko. Piercing. Street really fast. Ayun, no?
So nice. May entrance pag pumasok ko.
Kailangan ng bayad, ticket.
Ha?
Kailangan ng ticket.
Gusto mo pa
No,
tayo?
no.
You want ice cream?
Meron si tatay.
Nag-buy si tatay? Grabe mo, 12. It's alright.
Ako kinakabahan sa cellphone. Iiyak ka pag nawala yan.
Dito pa naman yung mga business ko.
O, diba? Dapat meron ka pang ano.
Kaya nga, yun nga ang
Pang-vacation
bala ko
lang.
na eh. Isa lang binili mo? Oo nga. Di mo kami binilhan para isang pila lang.
Diyan mo.
Walang pila?
Wala. Ano sabi ko? One.
Nag-ice cream na siya, oh. Sarap, tay. May flavor din ba? Ha? May flavor din? Grabe, ang daming tao na doon, bandanak, no?
Kasi din naman yung view.
Oh.
Wait lang. Ako pala to.
Ay, maganda view doon. Ay, oo nga. Punta kaya ako doon. Ha?
Ano yan?
Pero grabe, ang dami. Oh.
Bag mo pa, oh.
Hindi ka pa na, sorry pero hindi ka alert nanay. Like, I'm worried for you.
Yes.
Baka ikaw yung manakaw eh.
Yung mga...
Nanay, legit, sa bus, nabuksan namin ni ate yung bag mo.
Ha?
Hindi mo napansin.
Talaga? Bakit nangyay kay tatay? May minay ka?
Julie, 11:50 na. Bilisan mo na. Hello, ganyan yun, no? Iiyak ka talaga, nanay.
Di naman inayos.
Di ba yan yung picture eh? Ariyan.
Sweet ng tatay namin. Ang ganda mo na.
Es para tirar la moneda. No, espera, que es la frente ahora.
Nag-buy si Bunso na? So happy, mga... Wow, nice. Hi.
背景可以留一点。你看，对，拍它可以，要不然背光根本。
I found only 10. Only 10 I found. You give me 50?
Yes.
I found only 10. Pick it. No need. You give me.
It's yours.
You already give me 50. To me.
Yes.
So take this 10.
How much? 50?
No need for this. This is 10, okay?
Thank you. Mag-CR ako kasi bigyan mo ako barya pang CR.
Ayan, no.
Magkano ba, one?
Euro.
Okay.
Di ba? Binigyan ka na. Alam ko sa mga.
Baba tayo, nak. So, baba tayo. Ha? Nagbibilang na si tatay ng barya. Ice cream, ice cream! Ito po yung ano nila, yung mag-cook. Ha? Yung parang sa Baclaran Church natin na pag naghagis ka ng coins, pag may mga prayers ka, wish ka, dito ka maghulog ng coins. Ha?
You have to do it like this. This is correct. But this is not. This and this side. No. Yes. Yeah.
Ate na? Saan si ate? May coins ka na? Ito lang po. O sige na. Ay, nandun kay tatay marami. Ito lang yung binigay ni tatay sa akin. Mag-CR. Doon kay tatay mamimit na. O sige na. Para wish dream ka solution. Gusto mo bumalik ka siya? Talaga? Pwede naman eh. Your wish is granted, my baby bunsoy. She wants to go back here in home. Pwede naman. I love you. Anytime if you want to go back here again, Your wish is granted. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. Enjoy na. Enjoy ang baby ko. Yan lang po ang pinaka-most important para kay nanay na mag-enjoy ang dalawang season na.
तुम्ही दिसले कसो आम्ही झाडा कय
Via Poly.
Decoration, that's baroque. Just keep it simple. Anytime you like fantastic figures, like rabbit, like mice, that's baroque. They're very much obsessed with art. So what does the very fountain come from? Roman aqua red, water. So the fountain is 1744. Baroque. What was the sense of the forest? The part of the survival, going up to the second. Basically, to make it better, to look nice from the other side. So I paid by a Pope, like this advertisement. Look at me, I'm the Pope, I did this and this. Love, love the man, worship, you understand? Like a priest, like a dog, in America, it's crying all over. You understand? Advertisement. This is the Pope, like that, right?
Wow, daming tao.
By the way, can I tell you something from a local like me? Guys, can I have your attention? This place is full of pickpockets. I'm not joking, okay? So take care of your belongings, otherwise you'll cry the whole day.
Everyone, 11:15. Meeting point po, 11:15. You can have your free time na po. 11:15, balik po tayo dito.
Sorry.
Spanish
The house that is
step.
on the left, you will see it written, is the Roman house of the two kings, Shelley and Kelly. Yeah? You take the steps, are you okay?
Today is relatively peaceful. It is extremely crowded.
Extremely peaceful.
Today is very good.
What the weather?
So many people here.
It's not peaceful weather.
Rain again.
The Spanish Steps. Picture.
Let's make one group.
Kayong apat sana. Here in Rome, Spanish Steps.
Baba po tayo for grupo. Baba po muna tayo for group photo. Group photo po muna tayo.
Hap na lang mo.
Darling!
Second day, dito tayo sa yun. Part pa rin to ng Rome, pero dito sa...
friend.
Anong step ko?
The friends. Friend steps. Ikaw.
Where are we going na? Let's go. Spanish step.
Ah, Spanish. Di ba Spanish
We're
bread?
in Rome.
Di ba Spanish bread?
Part ng Rome, Spanish step. Spanish step. Picture mo kami ni tatay. Oh my God, oh my God.
Doon ko sa baba, anak. Go. Long press.
Nauto. Oh my God, it's raining.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, follow the vlog, please. Follow the guide.
Marbury. Ang lawak ng Spanish tip nila, mga solid suki ka-BF. Still room, but sa Spanish tip, ang haba ng Spanish tip. Hi!
You know him. Are you sure he drinks?
We're going left. And then,
What's up? There we go.
parang mag-shopping na si tatay, oh.
Bigyan mo sige tayo ng timer mamaya.
Oo. Pero gusto ko sa Paris na mag-shopping.
Doon nakakaano ang pera
Oo.
nakalat ang ano.
Oo. Parang last yata natin yung Paris, eh, no?
Ano na vlog?
My God, grabe.
Hola, ¿usted dónde está en este momento?
Parang sumakit yung balakang.
Kakalakad.
Parang gusto kong palagatuin. Oh, no. Grabe ang tao. Here in Vatican City.
So, please to tell you something. Because
Here.
there is no possibility to wait. You see the line starting from here and go to the other part where we started, entrance. The entrance is there. But because today probably in the morning was the papal audience, it's Wednesday, correct? Every Wednesday, 9 o'clock, go from that second window, you see, on the top, to the right. Turn to the second, and the last upper floor, on the left. This is the place where the Pope every Wednesday
Wednesday.
show and just wave to the public. On Sundays, he has also mass here. But now you see, because the basilica was closed and probably they open now, that's why it's a lot of people. So if we stay in the line, we should start from here, and we need for sure about 2-3 hours. So it's not possible because we have tickets 5 o'clock for the Vatican Museum. So now I think it's better individually. Of course, if you're interested, to try to find some place to go inside in the line, 2x2 or 1x1 or 4x4. Yes, or to stay to wait. But having in mind that you have only 2 hours. 2 hours if you want to go individually. I don't think it's possible, but you can try if you want. Vatican museums are in our program, you know that. Basilica is individual. I was planning to go all together, but you see, it's not possible. If we stay now on the line, we're going to be late for the Vatican Museum. That's the problem. But individually, anyway, I will give you enough free time to explore this area. You can walk also to this street and to go there to the monument, to the fountains, to make some pictures. Now it's 2:20. So 4 o'clock we will meet here at the same place. Okay, 4 o'clock. Then go back again by walking slowly. 4:40 to be in front of the museum. Okay, do you understand me? So 4 o'clock we meet here at the same place. You cannot miss this big obelisk in the center of. Sorry, but they cannot do anything. You see, the line is too big. So some of these people will enter inside about around 6-7 o'clock. Yes, those who are waiting here, they will go inside after 3-4 hours.
How about the Sistine Chapel? Where's that?
Sorry?
Sistine Chapel.
Sistine Chapel is inside in the museum.
Right.
So this is in your program.
So we will not go there
Of
also.
course you will go after 5 o'clock. We have entrances for the Vatican Museum.
How about if we go there earlier? So
No, it's not
there might
possible.
be a live also.
No, it's not possible. We have ticket. You have ticket for the Vatican. Here is no ticket. There is free entrance. That's why it's so crowded here. They have only security check there, and that's why they're waiting.
That's the entrance.
The entrance is there, and the exit is from the other side.
Grabe ang pila.
It's nice.
Alin ang nice na?
Picture ni Uli sa akin.
Ay, ang ganda!
Nag-ano ka ba ng color? Color? Ano ba?
Ang ganda na!
Color? Hindi na color.
Ang galing mag-picture ni Bunso. Ikaw na talaga, so.
Max, vamos a ganar.
Wow!
Dai che adesso piove, su!
Hi, Madam Labs. Sama tayo, Madam Labs. Balik tayo dito. Bakit? Ha? Grabe, ang daming pila. Oh, Diyos ko. At Vatican City. Rome. Rome at Vatican. Alaga kaya nila yung ibon. Grabe, ang daming tao. Dito sa Vatican City. Ito po talaga dapat ito pa pang nagsasalita kasi
Ahí se bañan, nos regañan como que nos distraemos.
Last year pa sana kami dito pupunta. Kaso, yun nga yung Jubilee. Ang daming tao daw. Kaya, minove namin ng this year. Pero ganun pa rin. Grabe, ang daming tao.
Toilets here.
Toilet?
This is the line for ladies.
Ah, may line. Okay, thank you. Okay. Mag-toilet ka na? May mabilan kayang ice cream dito?
Ja się umówiłem z wami przybliżyć. Bo byłem renowacja. Ja przy wyjściu czekam, zaczynałem bardzo egoistycznie. Namin nga buhay doon.
Więc też zła na siebie, bo jakby też jest niezwykle, no ale jak outside, to outside.
Wala kang makitang nabila ng apple na. Benta ng
Nie.
That's the opportunity option. So 4 o'clock we will meet here. Okay? Please be right on time because we have some time to walk and to go to the Vatican Museum.
grabe ang tao. Mas lalo na.
Nandito sa likod kasi ang ganda ko dito. They're here to see my beauty. Wala.
Ano nga magbantong dito?
Kasi ako mukha ko pwede nakawan. Sila pwede dito ng araw ng Madina. Basta ha? Ay, andaman ko pala.
Our baby Bunsoy is super tired. Tired na ang bunsoy namin. Grabe. Po. Wow. Please.
So, when he was punished by the gods of the Greeks, he was punished because he told the truth. So, we see the moment that Lacan is dying by the snakes. The goddess Athena sent him. So, this statue is 2,000 years old. It is from the first century AD, and it is a masterpiece. Look at the respiration on his face. Look at the exaggeration of the muscles. Lacan is an elderly man. He's about years. So, well, it is incredible to see how alive the statue is till today. And how universal is the message that carries with him. Because, well, to die because you told the truth is something very modern as well. And Lacan is also a father who's watching his kids dying of hunger. And we know that in this time of war, we still have something like this. So actually the statue is incredibly beautiful in a message.
Kita ko na kaya ako gutudlo.
Oh.
Tulit-tulit.
Sa libro mo lang kasi nakita, ma'am, no?
Ano ba basa ko? Yan lang. Yung the food jam
Oo. Ngayon, nakita na yun, ma'am.
nakita ka na sa food jam.